The high fruit lifestyle. Today's feature, heart disease not caused by diet. One of my viewers said that heart disease was not diet related. And you may have heard this claim before. Natasha said hypertension causes damage, and then it's patched with cholesterol, but constant damage to blood vessels result in patches which block arteries or break off. Now, this might be a surprise to all my detractors, but being in health circles for 25 years or so, I have heard of this idea. Okay, I think I got it. We need oxygen to survive, and oxygen is in the air. It's essential. And now we get back to the important issue, and that is fat. It's also essential, and that's why it's in every food. But fat's different. Fat's not oxygen. And we now know that, she goes on, but if you don't have underlying hypertension or chronic heart disease, then you don't need to worry that much about cholesterol intake. It won't spontaneously start to line your blood vessels if your body is not under stress. Can we get a show of hands? Who's not under stress?
You go through so much on YouTube and social media.
It's just fucking insane. It's stressful enough doing this shit.
Stop being a coward. Give the money back to everyone that donated money to you for this animal sanctuary.
You're going to hear the backlash.
I have chronic depression, I have anxiety, and I can hate myself for it. And I do. Difficult week to get through.
Hopefully that crisis has been averted.
What I do on YouTube, did all these world records and everything like that, influence me getting cancer. And every single doctor said there's no chance in hell.
Fucking doctors! Vegan sons of bitches!
Boogie, I can't believe you're taking the easy way out. Easy way out my ass.
I am going to have another type of weight loss surgery in the next week.
What?
Yeah.
Why are you spending this on us today?
Seems a little
It's not my
impulsive,
fault.
don't you think?
We have a show in 1 month.
America just lost it.
Hail Trump! Hail our people!
Trump is president, asshole!
Wow, guys, do you see what's happened? Trump used to be the carefree rich guy, and now he and Obama have switched lives.
Heart disease not caused by diet? The World Health Organization, that's a political organization. And you should even go around nature and supplement your diet with fat. Nature's not our friend either. Look out the deserts in the Middle East. Nothing but violence. But nature's not good. Fat, that's our friend. It's essential. You want to get a lot in. Now, water, on the other hand, you get too much of that, and it could kill you. Matter of fact, I think that if you're drinking water every day, I'd call that an addiction, because you don't want too much of that. And, food itself. Things are caused by more than one action. It's usually multiple things. And this is another reason why studies are junk. It seems like she's trying to say, we have a good excuse for eating abused animals. Excess cholesterol running through your blood is not a problem, but excess sugar is. And things are never as simple as they make it in the laboratory. How do you explain China having low heart disease? Japan, they're under stress too over there. And I recall a bit of data that she may not have heard of. That is that scientists have taken vegan animals like us, and given them arteriosclerosis by feeding them, guess what? How do you explain that, Natasha? Thanks for watching. What do you think about all this carb and fat arguments? What do you think's really going on out there? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Give it up for yourself. You don't seem far away. Hallelujah.